little thing. You can see it's really...
It's in a lot of pain. It's really hard. Let's see on the picture.
That kind of breathing is pretty common to see when an animal's about the end of its life. And I mean, this is an adult chipmunk here that's not responding, so.
The chipmunks will usually be running around like lightning. So if a chipmunk's not moving, that's really bad. Okay. I'm gonna flip it over. This is gonna be graphic.
This guy was attacked by a cat.
Yep. It's a cat attack victim.
Oh, poor guy. How long ago did that happen? Did they catch that?
This afternoon. They caught it when it happened.
I'm getting him some fluids.
This is Metacam. And that is a pain reliever. I don't have the antibiotic that it needs right now. It needs Baytril, and the only antibiotic I have right now is Augmentin. So tomorrow morning, we are going to call the vet tech that works with North Country Wild Care and see if we can get some Baytril for this little one, because Baytril's the best for cat bites.
Oh, it looks like they appreciated that.
Yeah, hopefully. Well, that stuff must be delicious because Sam loved it. It was her favorite treat.
Hard to get them to take medicine usually, but for that one, it wasn't much of a challenge.
Dean hates syringes, so you cannot make him take medicine for anything. All right, you are going to not like me for this part, and I'm very sorry. You may require more hands for this.
Okay.
Slide and slide and slide. I gotta find a pinchy spot. The good thing is it's not super dehydrated yet, so that's a good sign. Do you have any skin under there?
Yep, looks like it just went in.
Pretty sure it's in there.
This is subcutaneous fluids to try to rehydrate. To heat it up to body temperature. Did I go through the other side?
No. It's just resistance.
Yeah, there's not a lot of room. You might need to do different spots.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do several areas. Very sorry, I'm probably gonna just stick you a couple times. But I want to try to get at least 1 or 2 cc's in the first spot. I know, buddy. Oh, this is so mean. I hope I'm not torturing you for nothing. I didn't realize how fluffy these guys are until I went to go stick a needle in there, and
yeah,
it was very difficult to find skin.
He's really having a hard time. Can't even hold his mouth closed right now.
Well, this probably does not feel very nice.
With small animals like this, the problem you can run into is you can actually go to do the subcutaneous injection and go through one side of the skin and out the other because it's so small.
Okay, I've had that happen with the squirrels. Not a lot of skin on these little creatures.
Nope. And this is something that's used to rehydrate animals that aren't really voluntarily eating or drinking, in hopes of giving them either enough energy to do that or just to keep them going long enough to get to a veterinarian.
Yep.
There's a good chance this guy's a lost cause. But...
did it just die?
Oh. Saw a paw move.
I think it might have just died. I think I might have a video of the chipmunk dying.
Poor thing. Yep, I think he's non-responsive.
I don't see anything. Wait, I saw a foot move. Just like that.
Yep, this is the hard part.
I'm sorry, buddy.
I'm gonna set him in there and
like a little mirror held up to his nose.
yeah. I don't see any sign of breathing.
No, I think it's pretty sure. Looking at his eyes, I'm pretty sure it's gone. Nothing. Okay. Well, that happened.
It does. And this is a good demonstration of why, if you think you want to do animal rehabilitation, you might want to reconsider if you have a hard time with stuff like this, because you're going to see it a lot. We had a litter of 7 bunnies that came in, and they have, what, a
90% chance of not making it through the first week.
And that's with all the best care possible. So, you know, sometimes you're just going to watch animals kind of slowly die despite your best efforts. And as thoughtful as it is for these people to care enough, sometimes you just can't save them.
Can't save them all.
Goodbye, little chipmunk. Sorry I had to go like this.
But you can see that it's, you can see from the wound that it was a lost cause from the beginning.
Yep. There was a really big portion taken out there. I suspect the only reason it was moving around is probably because of adrenaline. Yep. There's a good chance even if it did survive, it would have lost that leg.
It's definitely dead. It's going to rigor now. I'm so sorry, little guy. I'm so sorry. Alright, well, we'll see if the bunny makes it through the night.
You did your best.
I tried. I hate that it died getting stabbed in the back.
Yeah.
But at least I got to taste Metacam.
It has a fond memory of a sweet taste as one of the last things before it went. I guess we could at least give it that much.
I've heard that the sweet taste works almost like a pain medicine for babies and small animals, so.
Well, I hope that seeing this helps people get a more realistic side of some of the realities, because it's not always cute, fluffy animals and babies drinking happily.
Sometimes, despite your best intentions, things go wrong.